Alright, y'all, we at DD's today. So, I like to come here to get like my little workout stuff. But I always like to peep at their shoes. And I actually like these. I had some like this a while ago from Shein. I like these. I might try these on. They are 8 though. I need an 8.5. They feel, y'all hear that? Sounds so cheap though. Oh, they got them in black. Oh, the black feel much better. But I don't think the black is an 8.5. I like these. These are cute. Juicy. I don't know, something's kind of off with them. Alright, y'all. Let me go to what I came in here for. This is what I came in here for. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm finna go all the way down there. That's hubby down there. Alright, I got what I needed. Moringa and spirulina. Chia seed. And extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to Ross. Alright, y'all, now we are in Ross and we're going back to my favorite area. And that is what all the food and stuff is at. Alright, I'll pop back on if I see anything. Oh, look at these little jammies. That's cute. These little Valentine stuff. They ain't got much right here. Okay. Looking for is it cheap in here? Ooh. Right, this is what I picked up from Ross. I got some rice paper spring rolls, canned sardines. These are so good. I only found one every time I go somewhere. I haven't even found them in the store yet. And then we got some pickle beets, and we're headed out.